Hello traders, this is Chris from AAAFx. Taking a look at the Dow Jones 30. You can see we shot like a rocket straight up in the air during the trading session on Thursday. A couple things to think about though as we have seen this. Thursday was the last day of the month, and a lot of times there's a little bit of performance chasing. The Dow Jones 30 has seen a little bit of a lift due to a broadening of stocks in general going higher. So we see this big candlestick. If you remember in the video yesterday, I talked about 35,000 being an ideal way to find value. Sometimes you get those pullbacks, sometimes you don't. You can see we are clearly overbought on the daily chart. I did mention on the weekly chart, we aren't quite overbought yet, but we are getting stretched. So with that, caution still the better part of valor. But you do need to look at this through the prism of the fact that this was end of month position padding. In order to get long at this point, you have to believe that we are going to simply melt up. And we could. That is a very real possibility this time of year. But right now, I think you still need to find a little bit of a pullback. Chasing this trade, just far too dangerous. So with that, right around 35,700, I think you could start to take a look at a little bit of a pullback as a buying opportunity. Just to drive home the point about it being end of month markup, just look at the last half hour. That kind of tells you everything you need to know. Now, whether or not that sticks, we'll have to wait and see. It's not advisable to chase the trade, and I still believe that if we could get a pullback to 35,000, it would be really great, but I don't know that we're going to get that. This is a runaway market, way overbought by any metric, but, we'll have to wait and see. The best thing you can do is try to buy it cheaper. Chasing it all the way up here, you are starting to flirt with previous all-time highs right around 38,900. So very dangerous game to play simply chasing here.